I'm Dr. Mushtaq Ahmed, and in this episode we are going to highlight one of the very important and a unique topic that is never explored before this about the poisonous plants. Every day we use 1,000 of the plants for food, for medicine, for health, but at the same time there are a number of the plants which may cause toxicity to the body. Sometimes by eating the poisonous plant they may cause hallucinations. They are fatal, so it is very important to identify the correct poisonous plant species to avoid eating of such poisonous plants. Sometimes by consuming the poisonous plant they may cause death within a certain minute. We are going to explore and discuss about the poisonous plant, the toxic plant. There are two types of poisonous plant. Either they are found in the wild conditions, either they are cultivated in the home garden, farmhouses, along the roadside as ornamental plants. In this episode, we will discuss about the poisonous plant that are found in wild conditions. This is a Butia monosperma. It is commonly called as the flame of forest. It is commonly found in the foothills of Margilla Hills and foothills of Himalaya. The leaves, the seeds of these plants are poisonous. By digestion of the leaves and seeds, it may cause vomiting. It may cause a disturbance in gastrointestinal disorder. This is a Euphorbia helioscopia which belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. Commonly it is called as a sunspurge. It is one of the poisonous herbaceous plant. By eating of this plant it causes the stomach burning, mouth burning, as well as a lung infection. It may cause the coma and sometimes it is a fatal. It may cause number of skin problems. The latex of this plant, you see it is a milky latex that may cause skin irritations. This is the Parthenium asterophorus. Commonly it is called as a congress weed. It's a noxious weed, invasive species, exotic species in this region, and the leaves, the flowers are very poisonous. The floral parts, the aerial parts may cause dermatitis, the skin problem, itching of the eyes, and the pollen of these plants are allergy causing. So some people feel sneezing, coughing are the symptoms of the allergy of the Parthenium asterophorus. This is a Sistrum diurnum. In English it is called as a day blooming jasmine. It is a very poisonous plant. The leaves, the fruits of these plants are fatal to the livestock, to the children. By eating the leaves it may cause the muscular stiffness. This is the Datura retae. Commonly it is called as a white Datura. It is a very poisonous plant. It may cause hallucination, paralysis. The whole plant is very poisonous. By smelling the flower, by smelling the leaves, by eating the leaves, by eating the seeds of this plant, it may cause death. It has a direct impact on CNS. This is Thevisia peruviana. In English it is called as the yellow oleander. The seeds of this plant are highly poisonous. By eating the seeds, it may cause the burning of the mouth, numbness in the tongue, and it collapses the blood circulation. So it causes the heart attack. This is a Richness communis. In English it is called as a castor bean. It's a very poisonous plant. The seeds are purgative. By eating the 2 to 3 seeds by the children, it may cause death. By eating the 8 to 10 seeds by the man, it also causes death. They are very, very dangerous to the livestock as well. You see, the goats are browsing some other herbs and shrubs, but they don't browse the Richness communis, the castor bean, which is poisonous to the human being, that is poisonous to the livestock. This is the Agave americana. In English it is called as a century plant. The leaves, the roots of this plant are poisonous. By eating the leaves and roots, it may cause diarrhea. Because the leaves contain oxalic acid, oxalate, that may cause a kidney problems. And this is our Lantana camara, which belongs to family Verbenaceae. This is a poisonous plant. The blackish fruits are very poisonous. By eating these, they may cause a death. Hope you enjoy this episode about the poisonous plant, the toxic plant, because it's a very important topic with respect to the human being, with respect to the livestock, to identify those plants which may cause death, which may cause harmful to the body, which may cause irritation to the skins, which may cause irritation to the eyes. So it is very important for botanists, for pharmacists, for practitioners, for herbalists, for students, for researchers to identify the poisonous and toxic plants. I request you to subscribe this channel, to love the plants, to identify the plants which are useful, which are harmful.